Okay, then you go out, Mateo, and it's Sasha's turn. More?
Yeah.
Okay, watch out.
Hard one, okay?
Yeah, Sasha's, you're just like a monster, though. 1, 2. Ready? 3. Okay, Apeus' turn. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
You can probably let go of him in the air. I mean, what will happen?
Really?
Yeah.
1. Don't hold on. 2. 3. Are you okay?
Give me a hard one.
Okay.
Mateo?
You okay
Mateo?
with it?
Yeah.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
2. 3. You know what you guys should do? You should land on your bum.
Like I do.
Yeah, always land on your bum. Ready?
Yeah.
You want to see how I can lift them up? Okay. Ready? Did you get that?
Can I take pictures? Hang on.
Yeah. You don't wait for mommy.
My neck's in the line.
Hey, watch out. Watch out, Sasha.
Over here, but...
Here we go. Ready, Apeus?
Hang on.
I need some more.
Wait,
One.
can we wait 1 second?
Yeah.